Sunday morning, Panama City Beach. Hey, Thunder Beach is over. It's 2023, but make sure you check out all the videos, including one of the best bikini contests we've filmed in a long time. So you'll want to make sure you check that out and all the other footage. But check out this view.
Welcome to Thunder Beach.
Cinnamon bourbon. You know custom.
20 seconds. It's your money. Don't let her go. Don't let her go. When you let her go, I'm gonna start it. Okay. Clock's running. Don't let go. Don't let go, girl. Hold it. Oh!
Thank you for watching from Thunder Beach.
Yeah, can I get a Miller Lite too?
What light?
A Miller Lite.
Perfect. So you having fun out here in Panama City?
Absolutely, every single year. Panama City, Thunder Beach is one of the best rallies, and we have a great time being here.
Nice. Now, how many rallies have you been to, like here at Thunder Beach?
Here at Thunder Beach, it's only my second year, but that's not my rally resume in full.
What other rallies have you been to?
I do Gettysburg, I also do Ocean City, and this year it looks like I might be adding a couple more, so I'm going to wait and see.
Cool. Maybe Sturgis, maybe?
Maybe Sturgis. It's a big investment to get out there, so I'm not really sure if it's going to be this year, but someday.
All right, guys, if you're watching this video, hey, foot the bill. She's willing to work.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Hey, in between songs, can I get you guys to say something?
This next one right here is a little sublime too.
I'm gonna take off here shortly, but make sure you check out all the videos from Thunder Beach and look out for Myrtle Beach. So we'll be at Myrtle Beach here in a week or so, a couple weeks, so you'll want to check that out. All right, Thunder Beach. It's been good so far. It's out in front of you, buddy. And there's Ripley's, believe it or not.
Believe it or not, there it is.
And we're just gonna keep on rolling here.
Keep on rolling with that sweet back tap.
Oh, by the way,
Alright, let's give it up for Ponch over here. He's a previous member of the Chippendale Dancers. And he's got that nice
Sometimes you wanna get higher. Sometimes you gotta start low. Some people think they're gonna die someday. I got news, you're never gonna go.
Have you tried one yet? Do you know what it is?
Ultra brand.
We can explain it to you.
Are you guys filming for YouTube or something?
Yes.
Come over here, let me show you something cool. I'm gonna use your buddy as a demo, you're gonna record us. Today we're at the biker rally here in Panama City Beach. Beautiful day. I'm about to do my demonstration of my bracelets on, what's your name?
Ricky.
On Ricky, all right? Ricky, do me a big favor, put both feet together. Toes pointed towards me, arms out just like this, okay? Now Ricky, when I say go, I want you to lift this leg up, but I need you to keep this arm strong, okay? Go ahead and go, Ricky. Two fingers, push down. Feel me? Alright, one more. Alright, perfect. Now, what I'm about to do is I'm about to put my therapeutic bracelet in his hand. This is now. Here's my bracelet. Put it in your hand, give it a good grip. Arms back up. Same thing, leg up. Now watch this. One last time. Now you don't have my bracelet in your hand no more, right? And one last time, put it back up. Watch this, 2 fingers. Man, there it is.
That work?
It's
Are you acting?
oceanbandrealestate.com.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And make sure y'all go like St. Avenue. We coming up soon. Like,
Thank you guys.
All right, thank you.
Drive their car. So why do we let some places tell us how to service it? At Tires Plus.
Good job. Yeah, Vendor Village was cool out here in Panama City. So out to Baker Act Customs for the free shirt. Check them out. Got some awesome bikes.
like your hair.
He likes her hair. He got a smile out of her. cool place, huh? Awesome. So have y'all been real busy here?
Yeah. I just got here like an hour ago, but I think it's been pretty busy.
Okay.
It's been good. It's a lot of fun.
So do you usually work here at Salty Goat?
No, I'm from California. I came for vacation last year, and I met everyone here, so they asked if I wanted to work this time.
Oh, that's cool. So it's your first time?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Awesome. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley.
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you, Ashley. My name's Kelly with Prime Cut Pro.
Thank you for watching from Salty Goat.
It's a cool bar. First time I ever been here.
Yeah?
Why are you nervous? You nervous on camera? No. Oh, you did awesome. You did awesome. Thank you.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Thank you for showing me Cheyenne.
You're welcome, sir.
We're gonna see you at any other rallies?
You'll see me everywhere, not just at the rally.
All right,
And if you do, don't be afraid to wave.
all right, brother. Thanks a lot.
Breathe it in and suck it. Tuck it. Inhale and suck it. Tuck it, suck it. Yeah. Tuck it and suck it. Breathe. Suck in.